let's be honest. How in the hell did they get a hose long enough to get that pressure washer down at the bottom of the sea? On this episode of the BS Detective, we have a video of two scuba divers trying to clean algae off a shark. First of all, that damn shark ain't gonna stay still while you touching that thing. That thing will bite your arm off. And how in the hell are they gonna use a pressure washer when they have enough water ever? Come on, y'all, this shit ain't real. Don't be fooled. Catch you on the next one. Bye.